Alright you fellows, today we're going to a really exciting tutorial. Today we're going to check out how to make this gradient text here in Illustrator. Now this looks really abstract and minimalistic, but looks strong at the same time. So let's take a look how to make this. So first what we're going to need to do is go here to the fill, click on the fill, click on the none, and click on the stroke to be on the top. And select the circle, the ellipse tool, and press and hold Shift plus Alt, create the first circle. So here first we're going to need to set up the stroke. Let's go to the stroke options, align stroke to the center, and then increase the stroke thickness. Let's go and increase it all the way up until that little hole is going to disappear or going to get really small. So now I'm going to select it and let's go to the gradients, select the gradient. And then here we're going to need to change up the gradient options to the apply gradient along stroke. So check this out, now we got the gradient going along the stroke line. So what I'm going to need to do here is multiply the circle. I'm going to press and hold Alt, drag it to the right, and release. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. I'm going to duplicate it 5 times. We're going to start with the very first, and here I'm going to make the letter P. So I'm going to select the direct selection tool, and I'm going to select this quarter here. Press on delete, and then I'm going to select the pen tool, click on this anchor point, and then I'm going to press and hold Shift, and I'm going to go somewhere around here, click on it. So this is how it's going to look, the letter P from Panter, and then I'm going to go to the letter A, again select the direct selection tool. So let's see how the letter A is going to work. So this is going to be reverse, so I'm going to delete this quarter, and then again select the pen tool. And here, I'm going to click on this anchor point, press and hold Shift, and here we're going to need to go. I don't know why is it jumping like this. Look at that. And I'm going to click. So this has to go. I also going to press Ctrl R. So it's going to highlight the ruler. Let's go to the ruler and drag a ruler where the circle roundedness ends here. So I'm going to select the direct selection tool again. Let's go to this anchor point and I'm going to press and hold Shift and bring this anchor point up. So and this part is going to be the ending. The letter P has to go more down. So from here, we're going to go to the letter N. Let's select the direct selection tool again. I'm going to select this anchor point, press on delete, select the pen tool again. Click on this anchor point, press and hold Shift, and let's go all the way down here to the ruler where they intersect. And I'm going to repeat the same step, select the pen tool separately again, and continue. End point. So now we're going to go at the letter T. So this is going to be a little bit more difficult. I probably didn't figure it out correctly, but this is my solution. I'm going to select the direct selection tool and delete this top anchor point. Let's select the pen tool, click on this anchor point, and from here I'm also going to drag a ruler. So here we're going to go, this is going to be the top, and then I'm going to select the pen tool. Let's go to this anchor point, click, and press and hold Shift. This is going to be somewhere here, and press and hold Shift again, and here we're going to need to go at the ending. Now I don't know why it is creating this bug in Illustrator, in the latest Illustrator. So anyways, now I'm going to select these 2 anchor points here, and we're going to need to bring this down under the ruler where they could intersect. And I'm also going to need to drag a vertical ruler that goes somewhere here, and I'm going to bring this anchor point in. So now you can see we got this issue here. You know, I'm just going to decrease the stroke thickness a little bit. There you go. Now it works. And then let's go to the letter E. With the direct selection tool, I'm going to delete this quarter, press the P for pen tool, and then I'm going to add another one here. Tweak this a little bit later, but right now I'm just going to show you how to do this. Now here at the letter R, I'm going to delete the bottom one, and with the P, I'm going to bring this down. So this is how I make this really cool abstract gradient text here in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.